How are you doing? I'm gonna show you how to take off a center console from a 95 or 94 through 2004 Mustang GT or V6. I'm gonna be taking off this old one. I mean, not just because it's broken, but it only has one cup holder. You know, nothing. It's broken. Doesn't even hook on there. Well, first of all, you're gonna have to take off 2 screws here. There's rubber grommets that go on here, and there'll be 2 Phillips screws. There won't be anything in here because this part here actually pops out there and back. Well, once you have that, it comes out. Then down here there'll be 2 more screws that you need to remove, but I've already gone and done that. If you need to remove your fog light switch, and mine's convertible, so I have the top switch. Other models will have the cigarette lighter here. Alright, after you do that, you're gonna remove your shifter knob. Just unscrew it. Right then, pop off the clips that go on there. And see, this one's broken too, so I don't really need to pop them, but these are the ones that I'm talking about. There'll be 4 of them. Alright, and see, they usually screw here, but I don't even have that because it's broken. Now you're gonna want to pull your e-brake as high as you could get it. Then you don't want to pick this up. Uh-oh, I just noticed these 2 wires connected here. They're gonna get in the way when I take it off. Now, you're not gonna have this problem, but I don't know who did that wiring. Either way, I don't want to unplug that or mess with this, so I'm just gonna break this off. Don't really want to, but that's what it has to be done. And I'm gonna do it with these. I don't need this console anyways. It's garbage, so might as well break it, right? It ain't gonna do anybody any good. I'll be right back once I finish breaking it. Alright guys, once you well, you don't have to break that, but I already got that out. You simply lift up. It's a little tricky, but see, you gotta get the e-brake through there, and then finesse it out of there. And there you have center console. Now I want to pick and pull, and I got the best one I could get. It's a little dirty, but it'll do the job. Got the 2 cup holder one. Got my 2 inserts for the buttons. I could put an accessory here, doesn't matter. Clean. I don't care about that. Give it a clean up and she'll be good. Go ahead and try her on. It's gonna look good in there. I'm gonna give it a clean up and then I'll be right back, guys. I give it a little clean up already. I mean, still dirty, oily and stuff, but it was way worse. I'm gonna be hitting it with the black vinyl paint. Super match interior. And alright, looks good. Let's get that mother end installed. Alright. I'm going to have to put these connections somewhere else. Good right there. Alright. Check them. So we have as much room as we can get. Alright, it's gonna be a little tricky going in one-handed, but I'll try to get it. Best I can. Almost got her set up. Not even trying. Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to pop these two bad boys down. Yes, that says Veronica. That's my girlfriend's name. Alright. See, these have these two little inserts right there. You have to push in to pop them out. I'm gonna go ahead and do that because it's kind of hard with with one hand, so I'll be right back. Okay guys, I got the inserts out. All I did was flip the console over and press on one of these tabs and then push it out. Same thing over here. Oh, I don't need these anymore. And see, this is the top one. Can't even see the actual thing, but it says it right there. See, set park brake. It's for the top. Pops right in. And this one's for the fog lights. I'm missing the little clips that hold it in, but it stays just fine. And can't forget the old two cup holders. These just pop out too, has those two clips. And should be one more there, but then this goes in first. Pop. See, you really don't, you don't really need that one once you have those two. Alright, let's get back to it. Alright, ideally, you want to tilt this forward and have the back up. But since I have my e-brake really high up, I'm gonna try to go down with it like that. See, I'm gonna go up. See, up and hook it in there. And then bring it down. Bring your slider back. And we have entry. There we go. Yeah. You need to insert a couple tabs that are here on the side. They go right in, right there. And there it is. The back is set. Push it forward. And there you go. Cup holder. Then I'm gonna plug in these connectors. All right, I want to get ahead and plug these in. Let's see, what is it? Already put the screws down here. You could use either or, the new one or the old one. Just gonna keep the new one. They came with the. What the hell? Let me get in there. Let's see. There it is. Pop it in. Then there's 2 screws that go in there. Then once you have those screwed in, you put these grommets over them. There's one. And I lost the other one. Well, you get the idea. 2 grommets, 2 screws. There should be one here too. Oh, just a grommet, not a screw. Alright, now we'll bolt it down to the car. Let me hook it in there first. Alright. You could use a Torx screw or a 7mm. There's the first one. And the second one. Let me get it hooked in there good. Tighten those down as much as you can with your hand. Might be able to do it all the way. Now I know they don't match the colors, but we'll be buying vinyl paint and painting it all black again. So that doesn't really concern me right now. I mean, it's not like it's anything mechanical or anything like that. Alright. See that? That's how it's supposed to be. Alright, now put this bezel back on. This time it's gonna hook in. Oh yeah, don't forget to bolt these down, or screw them down. There we go. Pop this back in. And that's how you remove and install the center console for a 94 through 04 Mustang. Thank you for watching.